Hi again, we are here in Rarotonga. Today we are going to invent a new creation with this crazy fruit, dragon fruit. We don't have it in some places of South America, it's difficult to find, but here is full of trees of dragon fruit, so let's try a new drink with this crazy, beautiful, colorful fruit. We leave the fruit for the end, so it is very fresh. I can open the bottle. Let's try it to make this new creation with this coconut rum. I chose the coconut rum because it is more tasty, more aromatic. This is for Puerto Rico. It's a Puerto Rican coconut rum. It's the spirit of Puerto Rico is here. I can feel it. It's more aromatic. It's more tasty. It's you have some other commercial brands as the Malibu, but you can find this one here in Rarotonga. So let's start. Let's use 2 measures of coconut rum. 1, 2 generous measures of coconut rum. Let's add again our limes of the island. Squeeze 1 lime. It will be like 1 measure of lime, or lemon. If you have lemon, it's fine. I prefer the lime, but if you have lemon, it's perfectly fine. Lemon. These limes are big, so maybe if you have small ones, you need 2. One measure and a half of lime. Good. Now, for compensate the acidity of the lime, we'll use 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cool. Now let's see these fruits inside. What maybe we will use just a half. We will save some part for the decoration. Let's see after this what we are going to do for the decoration. This is, in this case, it is a white one. You can find, for me, it's better to peel it that way. This is a white one, but you can find some of them that are inside are this color. So let's use half. Half of the fruit will be fine. Cool. So we use 2 measures of coconut rum, 1 measure of lime, half fruit, yes, and now we will double the volume with ice. low. Okay. We have our drink ready. Now we will include the decoration. Cool. Cheers. This. Cheers. Hope you like it. It's very good. Really, really good. You should try it. Let's drink it in the beach.